Well, hello there. Thank you for joining me here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to take you through this lodge. Tombstone Lodge number 5 here in Tombstone, Arizona. It is right downtown on the corner of 4th Avenue and Fremont Street, and we're just about a block and a half from the OK Corral. But come on in with us. We're going to take a look around this lodge. I'm going to show you how the setup is, things that they're doing, what the inside of this room looks like, and maybe other parts of the building. So come on with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life, King Solomon Lodge edition. But before we go inside, we're going to go to dinner first, and they meet not there. They have their meeting the first, I guess what day is today? The first Monday of the month. But they don't meet at their location. They meet at 5:30 down here at the saloon, Big Nose Kate's Saloon, very historic saloon right in there. So we're going to go in there. Maybe I can get some pictures of them. We'll see. So yes, they do meet upstairs. Of course, they got a rail here for brothers that can't walk very well. Got a Masonic logo there, flag, some past masters here, restroom, and a mini kitchen because they don't cook and stuff here anyway. There shows up here. They shows past Grand Masters and Masons who were presidents. We don't see that very much up on the wall. Typically, we kind of see that up in the Bible, of course. And then down here, they've got pictures of check out that mustache. Oh, yeah. Past masters of this lodge are here. Looks like they wore top hats a lot. Right now, the brothers that are sitting in lodge now are wearing something like this. Actually, this is the master here. She's a past master here. They've got a vest on with an ascot there. It looks like that. See, he's wearing one too. So that's their officer attire. Pretty neat. I want to show you real quick this door knocker they have here. It's girthy, it's a good size. And also some of the historical memorabilia they have in here. Of course, that's the OK Corral guys. It's a famous depiction there. Looks like that there would be a past Grand Master that's from this lodge. Like that. More lodges should do this. Put your name on an ink pen and get them passed out throughout town. Oh yeah, do that. Like some of the old history items here. Like some gavels. Nice little historic area. And oh look, Oreos for the meeting. And we're going in the meeting here in just a minute. All right, so here's a sign-in book here, and this is a one from the Territorial Lodge. Look, they got a York Right sword out here for the Tyler sword. There's that's right, those are for cowboy hats, or what hats with a brim, I should say. But check out this. This is a peephole. I want to show you this. It actually goes up. And I know that because I tried to open it up. I tried to open it sideways, it wouldn't go, but there's actually a little notch right here you can push up. You don't see many peepholes in doors. There's a few, but not many at all. And it goes that way. I won't close that door. There's a couple of people still in here, but just ignore. And there's their charter there. This is actually their charter where they were, a year prior to this one here, were chartered from the Grand Lodge of California before they got a Grand Lodge of Arizona in 1882. I'm going to show you Senior Warden Station. These extra ones here, they use these during the degree work. Instead of moving those over, they use these extras. So you'll see a couple extras that are around the lodge of those. But this is original from 1881. This is their original furniture from the original lodge, this is the original building too. This particular building, when it was built, was a lodge, and also downstairs was a community center and theater, which it still is today, which is amazing. There's their column there. They got a balcony here. It's got 48 stars because Arizona was the 48th state. So it's pretty cool. And got the other one here. And they've got a safe in here that they keep all their jewels, because these jewels are actually pure silver. The end zone. These are not fake. These jewels down here are pure silver. Not so much these part, but they're all pure silver. So they do lock those up at night. They've got their original, not their code, but their rules of the lodge and everything. They've got those in there, the original set. A lot of times you find out their sets from lodges, especially that are over 100 years old. They've had to go through a fire, and they've had to go through a whole lot of other things, and they tend to lose them through floods. It's hard to find an original set, which they have here. Look. So here's this has got it's got a slider to it. It slides a little bit. Oh, looks like it's broke here. Maybe that's why it jams. They probably just, I'll fix that later, I promise. And they put all their regalia in there. And we've got some items up here on the wall. These are pretty neat. This is the one from Alexandria, Virginia, the Masonic Center. That's a really nice picture of the large bronze statue that's in the main hall. I got a video of that. Check it out. I'll put it down in the description. This is now actually taller. Shows 3. This actually keeps on going up now. So this is actually a very old picture. That building is taller than that. I like this one too. You don't see many of these that are bronzed out. So it's pretty neat. We stop here. There's a nice picture up there, George Washington, which we see a lot. And here's some more of these. You got corn wine and oil, your smooth ashlar, and your rough ashlar here. Here's their newer. And one thing I want to talk about this one here just a little bit is actually signed by Morris Goldwater, who is grandfather of Barry Goldwater. So that's pretty cool. All these are pretty much the same. Looks like the other. Of course, they've been repainted and stuff since those years, but they're in really good condition. You can see he's got a gavel pointed up. Got it, everything there. Such a beautiful chair. I wish more lodges would invest in some really cool furniture like this. It's hard to get these made. You get them custom made. This is more of a burlap. You don't see that very often. Another thing I noticed here is they've got a point within a circle, and all lodges in Arizona have to have a point within the circle in the room. I will say most of the lodges I see that have this is actually in a picture frame. It's not freestanding like this. This is a piece of plexiglass right there. So it's actually 3D. It's not painted on the wall or anything. It's really cool. Don't see that very often at all. You do have the 3 steps. These are 3 traditional size steps. And you got a Marshall station here with a Marshall staff that's got some age on it. Really nice. No telling how old that is. And secretary's desk. Now this carpet in this room was actually removed, and it was like this tapestry here. All the carpet was tiles of this tapestry here were all over the floor. So that's unusual to see too. And they actually had to install these cross beams because the walls wanted to go out, so they had to put in these supports here for this building. You can see it's a very beautiful room. The original slats on the ceiling. Got those in my home lodge. Check out that one there. And Midland Lodge 144 in Columbus has got those exact same size slats. They're like the 2-inch wide. Actually, those might be 3 inches. And another nice senior warden's station here. Got the junior warden station, yeah. You got the plum there. Doesn't have the accents like the master's got, but you get the plum there. You just don't see enough furniture that's actually Masonic furniture. You see a lot of furniture that's really nice, but not a ton of Masonic furniture. I'd say, oh gosh, maybe 1 out of 5 or 1 out of 6 actually has, lodges that I've seen will actually have furniture that actually has Masonic logos on the furniture. That's the other piece of tapestry there. And they got a piano in the back. Older, definitely an older piano there. And here is the altar. You can see the altar has the matching set, just like the columns. And they've got these, the ram's head on the corners. You got a plum there. It's very ornate. Nice piece of marble on top. And that's your regular Masonic logo there. And they've got double staff holders, one on each side down here. They actually use those. What else I want to say about this? They have this Bible, but of course this isn't their normal Masonic Bible. It sits on the altar. Normally we see the square and compasses off to the side, and I would flip through that Bible and show you a little bit about the Bible to see what Bible they have, but which is actually the one they used today in the meeting. They've already put that away with the rest of the regalia. And you see the altar here. These are actual candles. They're not electric or anything like that. Some lodges go to that, some don't, and some jurisdictions actually require it to be. I believe Wisconsin's one of those. It must be a lit candle. Really nice lodge. So if you ever find yourself in Tombstone, Arizona, you want to come by and visit this lodge. They meet on the first Monday of the month as their regular communication, but it seems like just about every Monday they have something going on, whether it's degree work or practice. So if you're here and you want to schedule your plan to come see them on a Monday. Meeting normally starts at 7 and they meet downtown, as I mentioned before, to go eat dinner, because that's where they have dinner at. But come on and visit these brothers. They welcome you like they did me with open arms. You'll have a good time, so come on and see them. I won't let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I'm just out here living the coolest life. Masonic edition.